Hello there. I'm going to show you how I composed some music to the short poem by the 19th century British poet Leigh Hunt. It's called Jenny Kissed Me. The story is that Jenny, the wife of Thomas Carlyle, the Scottish philosopher, both of them were friendly with Leigh Hunt, the poet. He came round there one day on his birthday and spontaneously, Jenny, Carlyle's wife, jumped up and kissed him. And he always remembered that for the rest of his life, as he says in this short poem. So here is how I composed the music. Hello there. Now we start off the poem with the chord of C, C, E, G. Use any inversion like E, G, C, G, C, E. That's true of all the chords. Any inversion can be used. The next chord I want to use is on the note of F, F, A, C. And then the chord of G, G, B, D, add a top F to make it G7, and then back to C again. Jenny kissed me when we met. Now, jumping from the chair she sat in, I want it to sound like jumping up, a woman jumping up. Jumping from the chair she sat in, jumping from the chair she sat in. Then a variation, I'll go on to the relative minor, which is A minor. Chord is A, C, E, or E, A, C. And then the dominant, the chord of E7th, which is E, G sharp, B, D, back to E minor. Sorry, A minor. Right? That's an inversion of A minor, which is E, A, C. E7th, A minor. Time, you thief, who love to get sweets into your list, put that in. Now we go back to C and F and G. Say I'm lonely. F, say I'm sad. Now D7th, which is D, F sharp, A, C, which resolves into G. Say that wealth and health have missed me. G7th. Now we go to C again. Is G. But I'm going to, this time to add a B flat to the C to make it C7th, then F. Say I'm growing old. That's F. But add. Now this chord is F sharp diminished, F sharp, A, C, D sharp, or any inversion thereof. Let's try that. Say I'm growing old, but add. That's the diminished chord. Jenny kissed me. I'll play it right through now. Now I'm going to play the whole poem as I've composed it. Here we go. Jenny kissed me when we met, jumping from the chair she sat in. Time, you thief, who love to get sweets into your list, put that in. Say I'm lonely, say I'm sad, say that health and wealth have missed me. Say I'm growing old, but add. Jenny kissed me. That's it. Thank you. That's it. Well, that's how I composed it. If you have any comments or you want any explanation further as to what exactly I was playing, please write in and I'll do my best to reply. Hope to see you all again. Bye-bye.